After using the Google Pixel 7 Pro for 6 months, I have to say I am thoroughly impressed with this device. From its stunning display to its lightning fast performance, this phone has exceeded my expectations in almost every single way. Let's start with the design. The Pixel 7 Pro features a sleek modern design with a gorgeous large display. The colors are vivid and the blacks are deep, making videos and photos look absolutely stunning. The phone itself is slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry around in your pocket or your purse. Having the 120Hz makes the experience that much smoother and enjoyable. Even in bright daylight, this display has been very usable and scrolling through apps, documents, etc. is a breeze. I'm quite impressed with the 7 Pro's display and can't wait to see the display on the Pixel Fold and the Pixel 8 next. Google really stepped it up this year with the Google Pixel 7 Pro's display, especially coming from previous generations. Earlier Pixels had pretty dim displays. The Pixel 6 series also had pretty dim displays overall, and I have to say I've just been very impressed with the display here, as I mentioned, on the Pixel 7 Pro. Buttery smooth, works every single time without issue, stutter, or lag, and I've been impressed every single day that I've been using it the last 6 months. Consuming content has been incredibly immersive. Flipping through YouTube Shorts to pass some time, the video is crystal clear, the audio is excellent, and the overall experience has been top-notch. So whether you're also diving into YouTube Shorts or maybe you prefer TikTok, regardless, you'll love consuming that content here on the Pixel 7 Pro. Personally, I love watching longer form content on the 7 Pro. I watch a ton of YouTube, HBO, Netflix, Disney Plus, etc., and the Pixel 7 Pro the last 6 months has been my go-to for consuming that content. While I'm usually not a fan of the curved displays, Google did it right here on the Pixel 7 Pro, subtly adding that waterfall effect without causing accidental touches throughout use. The experience has been excellent, and again, this is still my main device for any content consumption in 2023. It's just been such a great experience overall, and it's the first device I go to anytime I'm looking to binge my favorite show. Gaming as well has been awesome. The Pixel 7 Pro has some serious power under the hood. Mine is equipped with the Tensor G2 chipset, 12GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage. This means that apps open quickly, multitasking is a breeze, and there's plenty of room to store all of your photos, videos, and apps. Games load quickly and run smoothly, so if you're a gamer, you'll be happy with what Google has packed inside the 7 Pro. Also, I wanted to note something that has been a huge subject of conversation for the previous Pixels. The Fingerprint Scanner is buttery smooth, consistently unlocking the device every time, and it's much improved from the previous Pixels, including that Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 6 series, where we've seen a lot of issues with this fingerprint unlock, but on the Pixel 7 series, the 7 and the 7 Pro, that has been completely resolved, and honestly, I totally forgot about it until recently doing this video. It's incredibly smooth. I use a lot of other Google accessories throughout my home, and I have to say having the quick toggles and controls in the Pixel software has been awesome. Another feature that I absolutely love that I mentioned 6 months ago as well is the recorder application built into the Pixel series. Well, the Pixel 7 Pro are incredibly intelligent, and through my usage of this app over the last 6 months, I'd have to say it's continuously been improving with usage and my own usage as it continues to learn my usage habits. I use this app for all of my videos, for every transcript, for every single video that I've done the last 6 months. The Pixel has been my go-to device for recording all of my scripts for these videos. It works so well, and it's been consistently reliable the last 6 months. One of my favorite features of the Pixel 7 Pro is, of course, the camera. Google always has been known for their excellent camera technology, and the Pixel 7 Pro is no exception here. The 50-megapixel camera lens takes incredibly sharp and detailed photos, while the 12-megapixel ultra lens lets you capture more of the scene. The front-facing camera is also excellent with a 12-megapixel lens that takes sharp selfies. These were a few photos that I took recently, which the Pixel absolutely crushes in terms of the competition. I've had zero issues with shutter lag on this device. It's been incredibly reliable for every moment, capturing every shot without issue. The battery life on the Pixel 7 Pro is also impressive. With a massive battery, I can easily go all day without needing to charge my phone, and when it's time to charge, the charger overall does a pretty good job. It would be nice to see Google in the future add much faster charging, as we got crazy fast charging from other manufacturers, and it would be really nice and convenient to see here on the Pixel as well. Overall, I have to say that I'm extremely happy with the Google Pixel 7 Pro. It's a well-designed phone with top-of-the-line specs and an excellent camera. It has served me well over the past 6 months. If you're in the market for a new phone and you're looking for a device with great performance, great camera capabilities, then look no further than the Google Pixel 7 Pro. It's definitely worth considering 6 months later, and it's still one of the number one smartphones that I recommend to most people. This is by far one of my favorite phones and is continuing to be my favorite phone in 2023, stacked up even to the latest phones. Let me know your thoughts though in the comments down below. As always, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.